Welcome to the Comm Systems channel. Today's topic is about something we all depend on every single day, critical utilities and infrastructure, and how security cameras play a vital role in protecting them from vandalism and sabotage. Power plants, water treatment facilities, communication hubs, and gas stations are the backbone of modern life. If these systems are compromised, the effects ripple across entire communities, causing outages, service disruptions, or even safety hazards. That's why protecting these sites is a top priority. Surveillance cameras provide a powerful layer of defense. Strategically placed around perimeters, gates, and control rooms, they deter trespassers and detect suspicious activity before damage occurs. Cameras equipped with motion detection and infrared night vision ensure 24/7 monitoring, even in remote or low-light areas. In addition to prevention, recorded footage serves as critical evidence in investigations, helping authorities identify intruders and prevent repeat incidents. When integrated with access control and alarm systems, cameras provide real-time alerts, allowing rapid response to threats. By safeguarding against vandalism and sabotage, surveillance systems ensure that the infrastructure delivering electricity, water, and communication remains reliable and secure. Simply put, cameras don't just protect property, they protect communities, economies, and lives. At Comm Systems, we design and install advanced surveillance solutions that keep utility and infrastructure sites safe, resilient, and fully operational. Thank you for watching the Comm Systems channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. For more information, call us at 888-501-5885 or visit us online at www.dvcsny.com.